Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing the clip and choosing the right aspect ratio for your deliverable. Once done, trim to the moment you want to emphasize so the zoom is focused. Next, tap the clip to reveal options and choose crop and zoom or animation depending on desired control. Do this now because precise framing early prevents rework later, and it gives you cleaner keyframes. As you move on, make sure the playhead sits at the first frame where the zoom should begin. You'll now create motion with keyframes so the zoom looks intentional and smooth. Place a keyframe at the start, set the scale and position where you want the frame to begin, and then move the playhead to the endpoint and add another keyframe with your final scale and crop. Use easing, ease in or ease out, to soften acceleration and avoid jarring jumps. Make sure to preview in real time at full resolution and adjust X/Y to keep subjects centered as you refine the timing. Finish by checking resolution and export options because zooming increases visible softness. Export at 1080p or higher when possible. Once done, watch the clip frame by frame to confirm stabilization and sharpness. If you see jitter, reduce the scale delta between keyframes or add subtle motion blur to hide microshake. Export a short test segment before committing to full render. If problems persist, undo recent scale changes, recenter your subject, and reapply easing to maintain smooth, professional-looking zooms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.